Hello, everyone. Mr. GD Singh could not make it because of some last-minute urgencies. So I'm stepping in for him. My name is Abhishek Sood, and I'm part of the product function at Digivive. So just to give you a brief background of who we are part of the Mediametrics Worldwide Group, which is a public limited company. And Digivive is a mobile value-added services arm of the group. Some of the other businesses include a Digicall, which provides both inbound as well as outbound call center solutions to enterprises, as well as device distribution network SBO, which is called NextG. So entertainment per se has always been a need. From the time when people in a community used to, gather in at someone's house to watch Ramayana or Mahabharata, to a time when there was a television in every household. Now, today, this device in my pocket is at the heart of entertainment. You spend most of the time with this device during a day, so you obviously, imperatively want everything on this device to be consumed. With this vision, we started almost 3.5 years back, and it took us almost a year to launch our first service called NextG TV. We launched it in June 2011. And thereon, we progressed with a lot of partnerships with the telecom operators, as well as the OEMs, and also a lot of device manufacturers. And along the way, we partnered with BSNL, MTNL. Today, we are live with almost all telecom operators in the country. And we are providing them both a white label solution, as well as we have our B2C model, which is direct to consumer. You can download our application called NextG TV from any of the app stores. So let's directly come to the product. We power both live TV channels on mobile, as well as lots of video on demand content. Now, when I say live TV channels, today we have almost 145 live TV channels currently running on our platform, be it the Star Plus, the Sonys, or the Colors of the world. Apart from that, I also, NextG TV also powers a lot of replay TV content of almost more than 10 channels on the platform. So we do a 7-day archive, just like you have it on a DTH platform. So you can actually watch last 7 days of programs on NextG TV of these channels. Plus we have almost more than 1,000 hours of video on demand content on the application, which you can view. On the technological front, we have adaptive bitrate streaming, which allows you to watch mobile TV seamlessly if you are in a moving car. So we auto toggle the bandwidth, and we provide you a seamless non-buffering experience on the mobile platform. So let's come to some of the key strengths of the product. Our product is device agnostic. So we cater to the devices, any device in the range of 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees, which has mobile internet connectivity, to a device as strong as a smartphone in any segment. So we have device agnostic capabilities. We are network agnostic. We serve both a 2G customer in tier 2, tier 3 cities, and also a 3G customer in the tier 1 cities or metros. We are platform or OS independent. We have native applications for Android, Symbian, BlackBerry, iOS, J2ME, and so on and so forth. And the platforms or any particular devices which do not support our application, we support it through a browser-based solution. We have a web-based solution which provides you the same content on that particular device. Multi-screen convergence, you can view our content on any platform. We power mobiles, we power tablets. We power even a lot of SIM-based dongles. So you can continue watching the channel or a particular video seamlessly on different platforms. So what is NextG TV today? Total application downloads, 13 million. We have almost 1 crore registered users till date who have used our application at any point of time. Total hours of streaming, which we have handled till date, is 50 million plus. That, be it the cricket series that we have covered, be it the live channels and the VOD content. So we have handled almost more than 50 million plus hours of content. And in terms of active users which are using our application on a monthly basis, that's around 1.5 million. This is one thing which we actually boast of. We have one of the best, mobile TV user interfaces in the market, and we have 7 days of electronic program guide, just like you have it on a DTH, seamlessly integrated into the application. You can actually set reminders. You want to watch something tomorrow, you can go into the EPG section, click there, set reminders, set alarms. You'll be, intimated 15 minutes before that program is going to begin tomorrow. Some of the key features, as I've already pointed out, adaptive bitrate streaming, which allows you to stream content seamlessly without buffering in moving car, or a switching network, which switches from 3G to 2G in different areas. Full screen viewing, fast channel launch and switching, integrated EPG TV guide for the last 7 days. We have, you can toggle between the bandwidth. If you are in a low network area, you can, automatically manually switch from a 3G to a 2G stream so that your experience of watching a particular channel is not hampered. It was an intentional move to pull in the best of the breed partners so as to provide, world-class service. So be it the streamers, which are from Wowza or Darwin, which are the market leaders. You talk of the encoders, we have it from the NVIDIAs and the Helix of the world. The backend infrastructure from Verimetrics, from the billing side, Suntech. The user interface, we have partnered with a Russian firm who actually works with us very closely, adapting the user interface to the Indian market, which is SPB Software. So this is just, kind of a content wall which we want to project here. 140 plus channels to choose from, more than 1,000 hours of video on demand content, close to 100 movies which we are powering. We have partnered with BigFlix to offer their premium content on mobile. We are, doing replay TV for almost 10 channels on the platform. So by God's grace and by virtue of the performance of the product, media has been quite kind to us. So we have been in the news for all the good reasons. In the last 1.5, 2 years, we have covered almost every cricket series which has happened, be it in India or overseas. We covered the IPL 6 live, exclusively. Only YouTube and NextG TV were powering it in India. Then we also covered the recently concluded Celcon Mobile series between India, Sri Lanka and West Indies, and the T20 World Cup which happened last year. Some of the other media coverages, talking about the streams which we have handled, the number of users which we have garnered. This is about the IPL which we covered this year. Talking about the performance, was quite happy to see, the same report being, highlighted in Vishal's presentation. I was happy to see that NextGTV was just behind YouTube in terms of, total hours of streaming content. So this is fairly, so out of the total mobile TV market space, today we occupy almost 67% of the total market share. And in terms of, as on December 2012, when the report was published, and the average time which a user spends on our application for viewing video on a monthly basis is almost close to 70 minutes, which is the highest as per industry average. On a month-on-month growth, we are growing on an average 21% on a month-on-month growth basis. And close to, since we are close to 1 crore registered users, we expect the growth to, increase.
Abhishek, you'll have to
wait
up.
so
Thanks.
this is last slide. So some of the comments from our users, which are also, pretty highlighted on the app stores. Thank you.